So Apple tries to tell us to use your fingertips and move this counterclockwise, but it doesn't really work that way in reality. So in reality, we have to use the hard part of your palm here. So right here, put it right there. Take the other hard part of your hand here. I'm pretty sure it has a name, but I don't know the name. And just press and then turn. And voila. I'll let you guys get a look at the battery, but it is the CR2032 battery. That's the battery that we have to replace in the AirTags. When you're ready to put the battery back in, make sure the positive side is up. We have 3 little grooves here, so make sure it goes in the spots. There's 3 spots there. You won't really be able to rotate it with your hand. So once you have these 3 grooves in place, we're gonna do the same thing but in reverse. So put it in the hard part of our hands, press down, and we're gonna turn clockwise. Get some extra turns in there to make sure it's completely in. And what we can do is just kind of test it with our fingertips to make sure it's secure. Because if you're able to turn it, it may not be locked in place. All right, so if you're interested in informational videos around everyday tech and products like this, feel free to subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. But for this video, this is all I got for you. Much love to each and every one of you. I'm your downloading pirate, and I'm out.